So hey everybody, it's me Sandeep, the founder of BlogNet, here to teach you about Python. So let's start. So we are in the website called freecodecamp.original. So before we start, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more amazing contents. So let's start. So Python, what is Python? Python is a general purpose language known for its simplicity and easy of use. I will not go thoroughly. Let's just talk about summary. It can be used in machine learning, web development, etc. And in web development, Python frameworks like Dance Go, Fast API, and Flex. These are the Python frameworks. Let developers build secure backend systems with less effort. Python can be also used in social media items, etc. So you can see and read from here. So let's just quickly go through the questions. Which libraries are used for analysis in Python? So libraries. So I think the libraries are here, isn't it? Tanzu. So its answer is pandas and numpy. And how is Python used in embedded systems and IoT? Let's go to IoT. Python runs well on microcomputers like the Raspberry Pi and MicroPython compatible boards, so you can build all kinds of IoT projects like smart home devices. So its answers will be this last. So let's check the answer. So all the answers are correct. So guys, we have completed this what is Python. So let's go here. So how do you install the Python? You can directly install it from downloads or Google. So there are different versions of Python such as Python 3, Python 2.7, Python version, Python 3, etc. These all are the things. So which address can Python be downloaded from? So we can see here. So I forgot to tell you this. If you have to find the version of Python file, then you have to type this command in the command prompt cmd. So its answer will be Python codes. How can you get Python added to path automatically on Windows? So its answer also should be here. I think the answer of this question is this probably the what kind of file do you download while installing Python for Windows? So I think we should download .exe file. You can see here. So let's go with .exe. Let's check our answer. All are correct. Let's go to another. So variables. How do you declare variables? So variables are the specific location in which we can let and store location, such as name is a variable, and the data is John Doe. It's a name. We will be teaching you about this. And age is variable and it's store 25. So there are different rules in variable. You cannot name the variable that start with numbers. This will start with underscore or something alphabet. So comment as single line and multi-line comments. Comments are the non-executable code that cannot be executed. So let's get a question. Which of the following is the correct way to declare variable in Python? So this is the correct declare a variable in Python. In Python we should not write let. It can be used in QBasic or types of language. So its answer is equals 25. Which of this is not a rule? Variable name must start with the letter. It is a rule. And variables cannot use Python reserve keywords. It is also a rule. Variable name can contain this. So insensitive, it's wrong. Why should you avoid using single letter variables? Because they do not communicate the purpose. Let's go to answer. All are correct. So how does the print function work? Print function simply it's used to display, and print is written like this. The syntax of print is this. So it's hello world. So why does the following code print all the values on the same line with spaces. So I have already written the answer. Why does the following code print all the values? Because separating values is comma add space. If you separate some values, then there will be space between them, such as like let's copy that code and print to our compiler. So I copied this, Ctrl plus C, and let's put it here and let's run it. So you can see this space, so comma means space, got it? So let's go here. What will the output of the program be? So hello in space world, correct. What is the purpose of the question mark around hello world in the code? Redefine a string means these marks, it's called single quote, and means double quotes also can be used. So single quote, what are this, single quotes are this, and double quotes are this. Got it, everybody? You can screenshot this. Okay, let's check our answer. All correct. Let's go on to another. So guys, we are making 15 minutes daily videos. So follow us for more amazing contents. In 15 days we will be finishing basics. Hope you understand. So here is some where common data types in Python. What are common data types? So what do you mean by data types in Python? So let's see here. So you do variables. So before working with variables, it is important to understand data types. So the value on variable that is stored between quotes or double quotes, they are called string. If they don't run anything and their numbers are integers are the numbers from negative infinity to positive infinity, then they are called integers. So like this is string, this is integer, its short form is str and int. So you can see here float is a decimal. So integer from negative infinity to positive infinity, but without decimals. So you can see on the top of screen what is integer. Now let's go to float. Float are the numbers that are decimal point, such as 4.41, like 3.14. It's the value of pi, it has decimal point, so it's float. Now string, a sequence of character enclosed in single quote or double quotation mark, like hello world. Boolean are the values that gives answer in only true or false. Set is a unordered collection of unique objects. So sets means unordered collection, you need to know this. So syntax of sets will be like this. It is enclosed by curly brackets and separated by commas. So dictionary, collection of key values pair included in curly bracket like this. So name, so here is dictionary like this. Name, so to the variable name alias is added. Now to age variable 25 is added. Now tuple, set is unordered collection and tuple is ordered collection, and sets can be changed and tuple cannot be changed. Means sets are mutable and tuple are immutable. Range means used in loops like this. So it's output will be this. So this is a single line comment. List is the order collection of elements. We know none means nothing. So here are all the things. You can take the screenshot of it. So easy stance is used to verify whether it is boolean or not, or check it is false or true. Like this, easy stance hello world string, so it is included in this single quote, so it is string, so it gives true, and true is a boolean, so we type bool instead of boolean, so it's true means it's true. 42 is integer, then it's true. If there was quote in 42, then it will be string, so it will be false. John Doe integer, it's not an integer, it is a string, so false. So guys, what does it mean that Python dynamically typed? I told you before, Python automatically determines the data type based on the assigned value. That's why. So difference between integer float. Integer means without decimal value, float means with decimal values. How can you check the data type of a variable in Python? So we can check the data type by type.